A stray firework ember sparked a fire on this front porch. Luckily, a neighbor was driving by just in time. The homeowners were 20 minutes away when they got the ring alert and watched as the neighbor put out the fry. Their house was saved thanks to this quick-thinking neighbor.
Hi, Lauren. I'm on my way home right now. I'll be out soon, okay?
No, please come open the door. There's a bobcat and I want to come in. Please.
Okay, we're going to be home in 1 minute.
Is anyone home?
No, we're going to be home in 1 minute. We'll be home in 1 minute, sweetie. Just stay right there.
Okay. I really want to come in because my mom, I don't know where my mom, I think my mom's at home and I saw it.
No, you stay right there. We're going to be home in 1 minute, sweetie. You stay right there.
Okay. Are you in?